Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into something super interesting. The top 10 foods that nutritionists avoid like the plague, and why you should steer clear of them too. Some of these might surprise you. First up, diet soda. Nutritionists like Carrie Glassman and Joy Bauer say no thanks to this bubbly beverage. Why? It's packed with artificial ingredients and offers zero nutritional value. So next time you reach for a soda, maybe think twice. Coming in hot at number 2, processed meats. We're talking about lunch meats, pre-cooked sausages, and hot dogs. Nutritionists like Katie Cavuto and Donna Angelo White steer clear of these because of their high sodium content, additives, and preservatives. Yikes! Number 3 on the list, fat-free whipped topping. Ellie Krieger, a well-known nutritionist and TV personality, avoids it due to its artificial ingredients and lack of natural flavor. Stick to the real stuff, folks. Next is reduced fat peanut butter. Christy Del Coro warns that many of these contain refined carbs and sugar, making them less healthy than regular peanut butter. Sometimes it's better to go full fat. Sugary cereals make the list at number 5. Nutritionists like Brooke Alpert and London say these cereals are loaded with added sugars and lack fiber and protein. A healthier breakfast choice might be in order. At number 6, dried fruits with added sugar. While raisins can be a healthy option, nutritionist Cynthia Sass suggests avoiding dried fruits with added sugars and watching your portions. Coffee drinks with added sugars come in at number 7. Cynthia Sass advises enjoying coffee in moderation with natural creamers like almond or coconut milk instead. Your Morning Joe just got an upgrade. French fries slide in at number 8. Nutritionists might enjoy them occasionally, but they recommend not making a habit out of them due to their high calorie and fat content. Moderation is key here. Bacon is our number 9 pick. Some nutritionists, like Rachel Begun, enjoy it in small amounts as a flavor enhancer, but many avoid it because of its high sodium and saturated fat content. Maybe just save it for special occasions. And finally, at number 10, light or low-fat foods. Nutritionists often warn against these because they can contain added sugars, artificial sweeteners, or other unhealthy ingredients. Sometimes, the full-fat version is just better for you. And there you have it. 10 foods that nutritionists avoid and why you might want to skip them too. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and food facts. Until next time, take care and eat smart.